rates are pretty intense right now.
In fact, Joel, can we show just the road here in front?
The following message is transmitted at the request of the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service has issued both tropical storm warning and a tornado watch number 417, which is for the following counties: all of Rhode Island, which is in effect until August 4, 2020, at 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. 3 million total people are without power right now as of August 4, 2020, at 4:20 p.m. That's all for now. But anyway, this is the message from the emergency alert system.